Are you tired of your iPhone battery running out too quickly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share some tips on how to make your battery last longer. The first tip is to reduce screen brightness. You can easily do this by going to the settings and adjusting the brightness level. Another tip is to disable background app refresh. This feature allows apps to refresh their content when you're not using them, consuming battery power. Next, limit the number of apps running in the background. Closing unnecessary apps can help extend your battery life. Turning off push email is also a great way to save battery. Instead, you can set your email to fetch new messages less frequently. Lowering the volume and using headphones instead of playing audio through the speaker can reduce battery consumption. Another useful tip is to turn off location services for apps that don't need to access your location. In the settings, you can manage which apps can use your GPS. Closing unnecessary notifications can also make a difference in battery life. Go to Settings, Notifications, and select the apps you want to receive alerts from. Keeping Wi-Fi on at all times can drain your battery, so turn it off when not needed. Avoid extreme temperature conditions as they can negatively impact your battery life. Enable airplane mode in areas with weak signals, as constant searching for a network drains battery. Limiting the number of widgets on your home screen can help conserve battery power. Regularly check for and install software updates, as they often contain battery optimization improvements. Closing unused Safari tabs can help save battery life. Using the optimal battery charging feature, available on iOS 13 and later, preserves the battery's lifespan. Avoid using battery-intensive features like augmented reality apps or video streaming when your battery is low. Clearing the cache of apps like Safari and social media regularly can free up storage and improve battery life. Investing in a high-quality charger and cable can ensure efficient and safe charging. Reducing the screen timeout period can help conserve battery power. Turning on airplane mode in areas with no signal will prevent your iPhone from constantly searching for a network. Avoid force closing apps unless necessary, as reopening them consumes more power than leaving them in the background. In conclusion, by following these tips, you can significantly increase the battery life of your iPhone.